everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got the cutest little project to share with you today. Super fun, great way to give a friend a little something special. You just pull on the ribbon and out comes this little Hershey's chocolate. Super cute, you guys. These are great for baby showers. You can use this at Christmas. This one here I did for Halloween, so these are easy to make and to give out at Halloween time as well. This designer series paper is the All is Bright. This designer series paper is the Toil and Trouble, and the one I'm going to be sharing with you today is the Frosted Floral. Now, I will have a detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed anything, everything will be there. I'm also using the detailed trio punch as well as some shimmer ribbon. And this is the pool party. So I'm going to bring in my Simply Scored scoring board. And this piece of designer series paper measures 6 inches by 7.5, and we need to do some scoring. So we need to, with the 6-inch along the top, we are going to score this at 1.5, and we're going to score this at 4. And that's all the scoring. Now we have a thin edge and a fatter edge, and we are going to use some tear and tape. And with the thin edge along the right side, we are going to add some tear and tape. We're going to fold this over on the score line. And then we're going to fold this piece over like so. On this one here, I did a little, if you can see it, it's hard to tell, but it looks like it's crimped. So what I did for that was I brought in my Simply Scored board, and on every 1/8 inch I scored down. And I did that for like 3 ticks. And that's what's going to give you that crimped edge look, which I liked. I have that detailed trio punch. We're going to slide in. We're going to use that little circle, and we're going to slide our paper in till as far as it will go. Now there's a marker on each side. You just want to make sure you're in the middle. You're going to punch your hole. You're going to grab some ribbon. 16, 17, 18, 19, I've got about 20 inches of ribbon, I want to say. And you're going to feed your ribbon through. Matching up your tails. And then you're going to take your candy bar you're going to feed it through. And then you're going to tie a knot. It's always when I'm on camera that I have a challenge with knots and bows. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. Super cute. And then you just pull out the chocolate and the chocolate comes sliding out. I love that. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you guys won't miss my next video. If you're here in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day, a great Wednesday. We'll see you back here on Friday. Take care.